Very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we're back with our social studies class. And as you remember, in the last class we studied about the longitudes. Okay, that is, it goes from north to south. Okay, these were the longitudes. And now let us start with a new topic, that is longitude and time. Okay, so be ready with your textbook. It is page number 190. Let us start. Now you see, this is the earth, this is the clock. We are going to study about longitude and time. We calculate the time according to the position of the sun. सन की पोजीशन के अकॉर्डिंग टाइम कैलकुलेट होता है. डू यू नो? सी, द पोजीशन ऑफ द सन एंड द अर्थ कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग ड्यू टू द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ अपॉन इट्स एक्सिस. नाउ एज वी ऑल नो दैट द अर्थ रोटेट्स ऑन इट्स ओन एक्सिस. अर्थ क्या करता है? वो अपनी ही एक्सिस पे रोटेट होता रहता है. नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द पोजीशन ऑफ द सन ऑल्सो दैट ऑल्सो अफेक्ट्स. राइट, सो उससे क्या होता है? टाइम जो है चेंज होता रहता है. दिस इज हाउ द टाइम कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. वन रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ अपॉन इट्स एक्सिस गिव्स अस द मेजर ऑफ द डे. वन रोटेशन, एक रोटेशन जो होता है ऑफ द अर्थ इन अ डे गिव्स द मेजर ऑफ द डे. क्लियर? दिस वॉज द इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट. Let's move on. Okay, now you look at the diagram over here and this is the content. Okay, now let's start reading. There are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. है ना? आपको पता है 12 plus 12. Okay, 12 noon and 12 night. Together it is 24 hours. Due to the rotation of the earth, the sun appears to move across the sky from east to west. Now, because of the rotation of the earth, what happens? Sun हमें अलग-अलग places पे दिखता है. Now you can see over here at 6 a.m. what do you see? The position of the sun. Then again during the noon time. Noon time it is over here. Then again 6 p.m. that is during the evening. Sham ke time it is over here. And during the midnight also we cannot see it. We cannot see the sun during the night time, but it is hidden. So this happens why? Because of the rotation of the earth. Earth के rotation के वजह से sun की position जो है change होती रहती है. That is from east to west. Okay, but actually the earth rotates from west to east. Now this we have studied, that the earth rotates from west to east direction and completes one circle. This we have studied. earth कैसे move होता है? From west to east. But sun की जो position है वो किससे appear होती है? From east to west. This is west, this is east. Okay, earth rotates from west to east and the sun's position, what it is mentioned, it appears to move from east to west. Sun की position opposite and earth की position opposite. Earth moves from west to east and the sun's position keeps on moving from east to west. Clear? Okay. Now, the earth rotates from west to east direction and completes one circle which has 360 degrees. How many degrees? Earth's one rotation has 360 degrees. Thus, the earth rotates through 360 degree of longitudes in about 24 hours. So, as we know that earth complete one round in one day. Okay, that means how many longitude? 360 degrees of longitude in 24 hours. Now once again, see what it is mentioned, that Earth completes one rotation in how many minutes? It completes it in 24 hours. How many? 24 hours, and that is total 360 degree of longitudes. Clear? Total degrees in one circle 360 degrees, total time taken 24 hours. Therefore, अगर हम एक घंटे की बात करें, so we will divide 360 divided by 24, that is 15 degree. What is it? 15 degree. Is it clear? Now, so they have mentioned that, see, now we have to calculate what? That is, therefore our Earth rotates through 15 degree of longitudes in 1 hour. 1 hour का निकाल लिया हमने, ये रहा हमने निकाला. Just now we have taken out, see, this, okay? Now what they are saying is, as the Earth rotates, every meridian faces the sun once in every 24 hours. We have taken out of 24 hours. हमने एक दिन का निकाल लिया, that was 15 degrees. Okay? Now what they are asking is that therefore Earth rotates through 15 degree of longitudes in 1 hour and 1 degree of longitudes in 4 minutes. अभी 4 minutes का 1 degree कैसे आया? Yes? Now we will calculate that. See. Now see. Here it is. 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So I have written 60 minutes over here. And 1 hour का degrees कितना आया था? 15 minutes. Right? हमने calculate किया था 1 hour का 15 minutes. Now I have to calculate of 4 minutes. So how much? What we will do? We will cross multiply it. 15 into 4, that is what? That is also 60. And 60 is over here. So this will get cut and our answer will be 1 degree. Okay, what we did? We had the degrees of 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. अब हमें क्या निकालना था? हमें 4 minutes का निकालना था. So for that, हमें तो minutes ही लिखना चाहिए. So if 60 minutes is 15 degrees, then 4 minutes is how much? So I did cross multiply and we got 1 degree. Is it clear, students? Okay. Now let us continue. As the Earth rotates, every meridian faces the sun once in every 24 hours. Earth जैसे rotate होता है, so हर meridian को sun मिलता है in 24 hours. When the sun shines exactly overhead, overhead means right at top, or is at the highest point in the sky, it is midday. So when the sun is over here, okay, exactly overhead, that time it is called midday or 12 noon. Okay, you might have noticed that is during 12 at noon, sun जो है exactly हमारे ऊपर होता है. Okay, now next, the longitude passing through Greenwich. Over here you can see Greenwich meridian is right over here. What is Greenwich meridian? We discussed about it, that is the 0 degree meridian or the prime meridian. Okay, so the longitude passing through Greenwich has been taken as the standard meridian. So what they have mentioned, that not only one country but all the countries in the world have considered Greenwich as the prime meridian, as the standard meridian. Okay, which one? The Greenwich. When it is midday or noon time in Greenwich, all the places along the prime meridian have noon time. Okay, जब Greenwich में noon time होता है, so तब क्या होता है? all the places along the prime meridian have noon time. So सारी places जो हैं prime meridian के साथ साथ उनमें भी noon time होता है. When there is noon time in Greenwich. It also means that if any meridian is facing the sun, all the cities located on that meridian will have noon time. What it is said that any meridian, any city, any place which is facing the sun during that time, they will also face noon time. उनके पास भी noon time ही होगा, उस time भी दोपहर हो रही होगी. Greenwich में अगर noon time है, so the countries, the cities along with the prime meridian will have noon time, and the countries or the cities which are facing the sun, अगर वो भी face कर रहे हैं sun को directly, they will also have the noon time. Clear? The earth keeps on rotating on its axis from west to east. Therefore, the cities and places located towards the east of the prime meridian have sunrise earlier than those cities which are situated towards the west. Now, what have they mentioned? Earth rotates from west to east. Earth कैसे rotate होता है? West से east. So, क्या होता है? ऐसी cities और places जो east में हैं, उन्हें sun पहले मिलता है. They receive sunrise earlier. Earth rotates from west to east. This is west, this is east. So, Earth rotates like this. Okay, so those countries or places which are in the east direction, they get the sunrise first than those cities which are situated towards the west. So, ऐसी cities जो west में हैं, जो countries west में हैं, उन्हें sunrise बाद में receive होता है. The ones which are at the east, they get the sunrise first. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you, right? So we'll stop over here, and in the next class we will continue with the remaining. So first your homework, what is it? See, at page number 121, that is exercise B, fill in the blanks. There are fly blanks, so that you have to complete. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class. Till that, God bless you all. Goodbye.